Hi, I'm Andrea from All Things Social Impact, and today we're talking about something that makes or breaks every project, big or small, project management. Before you roll your eyes, no, it's not about fancy software or long meetings. Project management is really just about one thing: getting things done without losing your mind. Let me start with this. Every project has a goal, a timeline, and a bunch of moving parts. Whether you're organising a community event, writing a school report, or running a social impact assessment process, the way you manage the work is just as important as the work itself. Here are 5 tips to keep your project on top. No jargon, just real world advice. Tip number 1, write down all of it. Every time you think, oh yeah, I'll remember that, you won't. Write down what you need to do, when it's done, and who's doing it. Use a notebook, your phone, a Google Doc, whatever works for you. The point is, if it's not written down, it probably won't get done. Tip number 2, start with the deadline and work backwards. Say something's due in 4 weeks. Ask yourself, what has to happen this week to get there? Break big tasks into smaller ones. You don't climb a mountain in one step. And tip number 3, use your calendar like a boss. Seriously, schedule everything. Not just meetings, but work itself. If you need to review something, take out time to actually do it. That way, you're not scrambling the night before, thinking, why didn't I start this earlier? Tip 4, check in, not just at the end. Take time to pause and ask, how's it going? What's working? I mean, what's not working? You can do this on your own or with your team if you've got one. And don't wait until things fall apart. Small check-ins stop big messes. And tip number 5, be kind to yourself, but stay honest. Things will go off track. That's normal. What does matter is what you do next. Be prepared to adjust. Ask for help if you need it and keep going. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to be organized enough to keep moving. So let's wrap it up. Know what needs doing. Break it down, schedule it, check in, adjust when life happens, and that's it. At All Things Social Impact, I keep it practical because good work doesn't have to be complicated. If this helped, share it with someone juggling a project of their own. And if you want more tips like this, subscribe or come hang out in the All Things Social Impact community. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.